Oh, what's up, guys? Janicki back here with another workout. What we're going to do today is a chest workout with just one set of dumbbells and bands. What I'm going to do today is show you how to make that one set of dumbbells feel heavier, do drop sets with them, so I hope you like it. Alright, first what we're going to do is a drop set with dumbbells. So I've got my bands. I'm not lucky enough to have a bench, but if you do, you can do this with a bench. So I have 50-pound dumbbells, which usually are pretty light for me. What I did was I used 2 bands through each hand. I'm going to press up. And now I've turned these 50s into probably closer to 100 at the top of my rep. Get a good squeeze, slow negative. What I'm going to do is take these to about failure at this resistance. And when we get to failure, drop it down. I'm going to take just one band. So I've got my darker band here. And take it back up, and now I've got a drop set. Now it's probably closer to about 75 at the top of my rep. Big squeezes, down to failure. Then you can drop it down a third time. Now I've just got 50s. Bring it up, and now I've got just the 50s. We can speed it up and burn them out. So that's one great way to turn one set of dumbbells into different moderate weights using bands as well. All right, so same thing, using my bands, I'm gonna do some alternating presses with static holds. So I'm gonna come up here. Like I said, you can do these on an incline bench, flat bench, whatever you have. Obviously I don't have that here, but we're gonna go up to the top. Your bands are at the hardest they can be. They're stretched the most. We're gonna get a static hold with the opposite arm, control down, big stretch, push up, drive, squeeze. Same thing with the opposite arm. Keeping the arm that's not pressing completely straight, squeezing the chest. Up and squeeze. Arch back, good posture, down slow, press up and squeeze. I usually go for about 10 to 15 of these each. It's really great because the tension is greatest at the top of the rep where the bands are stretched the most, and you're gonna get a really good pump just holding that static hold with the opposite arm. Third variant we're gonna do is band resisted flies. These are great, again, because they increase the tension at the top of your rep. So last ones I was doing is presses, work that band up. Straighter in the arms here, we're gonna work to a fly. So big arch back, huge stretch in the chest, up and squeeze the top, 2 count hold at the top. What you really wanna do is focus on the negative, arch back, big stretch, push up and hold at the top. Reason for that hold, those bands are stretched and you're gonna get an extra chest contraction. If you're feeling these in the shoulders, arch the back more and try to keep it in the chest as much as possible. Next one we're gonna do is upward banded chest flies. So I have mine in a bottom door anchor, which you're gonna need for this. So I'm gonna step out, stagger stance. I usually like to use my heavier bands for these. We're gonna go fly up, just to about the level of your upper chest, squeeze, and then slow on the down. Big stretch at the bottom, and hold at the top. Big 4 to 5 count hold, and then slow on the negative. Really wanna keep the posture up on these. You don't wanna hunch over, you're gonna take it over in your front delt. Arch back, push up, big hold at the top, 12 to 15 reps. All right, last exercise we're gonna do is simulate almost a decline press. We're gonna use our bottom anchor. Use whatever you have at your disposal. I have this little small med ball. So what you're gonna do is lie down your med ball, grab your bands, make sure they're even. We're gonna come here and we're gonna push down and through, squeezing low. So obviously you can make this harder or easier the farther away you go from the wall, but you can see how it's almost simulating a decline press. Keep the elbows up, squeeze through the lower chest, and back up, keeping the elbows high. Push through, hold, and slow on the out. Really wanting to contract that lower chest. Go for about 12 to 15 of these to finish out.